Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ पाकिस्तान अफेयर से रिलेटेड पार्ट 12। क्वेश्चन नंबर 115। Which Provisional Assembly of Pakistan passed bill to regularize Sikh marriages? Option A KPK, option B Punjab, option C Sindh, option D none of these. The right answer is option B Punjab. Question number 116. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa cabinet approved dash monthly stipend for prayer leaders of main mosques in province. Option A 10,000, option B 12,000, option C 15,000 rupees, option D none of these. Right answer is option A 10,000 rupees. Question number 117. Who became the first ever Hindu Dalit woman to be selected to Pakistani Senate? Option A Supriya Soli, option B Mawati, option C Krishna Kumari Kohli, option D none of these. The right answer is option C Krishna Kumari Kohli. Question number 118. Total number of seats in Senate are option A 104, option B 102, option C 106, option D none of these. The right answer is option A 104. Question number 119. How many seats won by PTI in Senate elections 2018 on 52 vacant positions? Option A 6, option B 12, option C 10, option D none of these. The right answer is option A 6. Question number 120. How many seats won by PPP in Senate election 2018 on 52 vacant positions? Option A 33, option B 12, option C 15, option D none of these. The right answer is option B 12. Question number 121. How many seats won by PMLN in Senate election 2018 on 52 vacant positions? Option A 33, option B 12, option C 15, option D none of these. The right answer is option C 15. Question number 122. Senate elections 2018 was held on 6th March 2018, 3rd March 2018, 5th March 2018, none of these. The right answer is B 3rd March 2018. Question number 124. Senate election 2018 was held on how many vacant Senate seats? Option A 52, option B 53, option C 62, option D none of these. इस सवाल का क्वेश्चन में पहले ही क्वेश्चंस में आ चुका है इस सवाल का आंसर, तो मेहरबानी करके आप उधर से देख लें और कमेंट बॉक्स में इसका आंसर लाजमी देना। ओके, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दें और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी राय लाजमी दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर दें ताकि जो भी वीडियो मैं अपलोड करूं उसका सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिले। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।